Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Hope you're all doing well today. Are any of you singers? That may seem like a strange question, but a company reached out to me recently, Fifine Technologies, about a microphone. They wanted me to take a look at it, demo it, that kind of thing. Figured my viewers would be interested in it, and I thought, okay, cool. Why not? And hey, they're probably right. I assume some of you can sing. I mean, a lot of you are musicians. I am too, but, well, I can't sing. And I thought, when they were sending me something that it was actually video making related, I thought it was a voiceover mic. But apparently this is a wireless microphone, which is specifically for, well, singing. And, you know, when I say I can't play guitar, I'm like, yeah, I can, but I'm not that great at it. When I say I can't sing, whew, I mean it. But I have the microphone, and hopefully some of you guys will be interested in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it. We're going to test it out. I apologize in advance for that part. You can see how it looks, see how it works, and yeah, should be interesting. Anyway, I'm going to say this before we test it out. The link will be in the description below if you decide you want one after the end of this. So no judgments yet. Haven't tried it, but link's down there if you want one. And it is an affiliate link, so it doesn't cost you any more, but it does help me out if you decide to get one, that you get it through there. Anyway, without further ado, let's unbox this guy. Yeah, get in here nice and close. Yeah. Hi. Let's see what we got here. I've already cut the little tabs on the sides. Box. K025, that's the number for this one. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. So, wireless microphone. I'll have to toss some batteries in here, and then I imagine there is a transmitter. I imagine correctly. There's the other end of it. You know what? I bet you I could plug this into the amp and pretend to have a deep voice and say something like, "Shovel the driveway," and the neighbors would freak out. Anyway, for today's purposes, what I'm going to do is fire some batteries into these guys and plug this into my audio interface for my laptop, fire this thing on and speak into it a little bit. And then unfortunately for everyone, I'm also going to do just a very brief bit of something akin to singing so we can see how it performs. And yeah, let's give her a shot. Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Well, it appears to be working. I'm getting something on the screen that indicates sound spikes. I really should have brought somebody in to do this, like Bruce Buffer. And now, fighting out of the blue corner. I keep looking over there because that's where the laptop is, and it's supposed to tell me if this is working or not. If this isn't working, either this is going to look foolish, you're not going to be able to hear me, or I'm just going to put the lapel mic stuff on, in which case I'll put a title here that says, "You're being lied to." No, seriously though, this should sound different than the lapel mic has earlier in the video. So hopefully that cough wasn't super aggressive. Okay, the moment nobody's been waiting for, or maybe you have for the sake of comedy, and I can't even think it. I don't know where to put this. Okay, here's a test. Can you hear me now? How do we sound now? What about now? Where am I supposed to hold this? Funny thing is, my brother is actually an excellent singer, and he would have been perfect for this, except that he's on the other side of the country. So, in honor of him, Stephen Angove, if you're looking for somebody who can actually sing. Anyway, in honor of him, I'm going to sing a song that I had to listen to him practice about a bajillion times. I'm only going to sing like the little piece of it that got stuck in my head for ages. Are we ready for this? Lean on me when you're not strong. Is it weird when I look at you and do that? I'll look over here. Lean on me when you're not strong. That's a doorknob that I'm staring at. Okay, anyway, it sounds, God only knows. I can't hear it at all right now. What else have I got? Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna get some afternoon delight. That look at the camera was super awkward. Okay, that's enough. Anyway, if you are looking for a wireless microphone, I don't know what the range is on this, so sit tight for the next 20 seconds while I walk to the other side of my house and continue talking. You stay there. If you're watching this video without sound right now, it probably doesn't make any sense to you. You're probably wondering why I didn't edit this out, in fact. How about now? Are we still working? Consistent sound. It's pretty good. Coming back. Coming back. Almost there. Hi. Okay, so if that actually worked, we have fairly substantial range. Hopefully it did. I can't tell yet. All right, that's enough of that. As always, thank you for watching, guys. If you want a wireless microphone, hopefully with decent range, hopefully with decent sound, links in the description. Check it out. It's actually a pretty good deal. Relatively inexpensive as far as microphones go from what I've been able to tell. But that being said, I haven't bought a lot of vocal microphones. I don't do vocals. I'm really not that good at any of the other stuff anyway. But yeah, link is in the description if you want it. Big thank you to Fifine Technologies for sending it over. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Big thank you to you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. I promise I won't do any singing. Have a good one.